Okay, FM. Okay. 101.7.
Honorable Ahmed Ibrahim, a Pentecost elder, where you MP for Banda NDCD, where you deputy minority whip. Honorable Memwaje. Honorable Memwaje. Hey. Naboko die.
Kwame nyame no mpa ebonte ye ho ye pa.
Naboko die se wo ho ye dia ne nyina so ye ho ye. Na ma memusa. Yes, mrase badwa no nipa be 15 mu anya bi. Ena
Kwame no ma na ebrusa. Ah. Ba o dey be so question.
And yes, parliamentary service for be 56. But me quoted from Daily Guide. Yes, 15. Na asi abrusa say ye venvio.
Yo Kwame ma menfa kwafidie so na menchia etifo a omotie okay FM. Said ye ne da bia na minim say me ne Ghana man ne wiase afa na nyina na ekasa. Because mo ko be bia.
Ye da say.
Na Kwame asemu a wabisai asemu a ehia pa o kai say COVID-19 ibae e ka say parliament in kama yen trust parliament yen virtual yen yi parliament yen see because parliament no say upe Ghana ye democracy kabima min kabia mambo na ne fapim pa eni brashe begefie ena the whole Ghana say upe dime ba kwa just one house Ghana ni bia NMC ni anase Ghana ni bia kasa bia nipa wo kwa brashe begefie na se upe office ya nipa do so wom chain office bia wo Ghana ha brashe begefie ho because uba ye wo 275 offices MP bia ne secretary ne research assistant ene wo and Ghana no 275 constituencies bia nipa ewo parliament will be in this BBC parliament ya within seconds na a tre afji Ghana mining na inti ya na ye very careful na se wo hwe COVID-19 ba ye ye ka say ye hwi ye frequent testing awa fa upem na kwaye testing wame na binimu diso binimu ndiso na ye ba sitting we from elections na ye ba ye no ye minority for no nyanti ye say ye nipa 5 na anya inti ye ma omo asoleti omo ena ye call right honorable speaker o say the speaker yen NDC for side ni ya won say nipa 5 MPs anya COVID no be na ya ma omo asoleti omo omoko ayarehwe doctor parliamentary doctor no ye ni nya nkitahudie ohwe omo but we don't know on the other side ente ye kaye de betia ba se omunsu bia na bin mo bi ye free meeting na NDC NPP for ni nyina ye nkan mom na ye mbisa ye ho omu wo bi no mu asoleti omu bia no bi wo bi kwa ye ni said de be ya spread put ye nyina life at risk. Ente ye meeting no na majority leader nso ka say you see nipa 5 or no nim say ye nipa the whole parliament na nipa 8 na anya bi na say NDC for na MPP for kabom na ye see NDC for 5 anya bi na ye see nipa no man ye 8 they presuppose to say almost nipa 3 den anya bi so which is na ama issue na ye so serious and e ka say sa dia speaker mutaka ne ka say Mr. Speaker enye mandatory testing by force testing say be ya MP bia ni staff bia no ye be test enti ye test na wo bia na chere say you have to isolate Kwame ye can ni sa no na Mr. Speaker ema ye sa mandatory testing no mandatory testing no ujidi se Kwame 275 MPs no emu 55 say omu de omu aye no private clinic nti omu meye speaker de no Kwame se wakoye private test na ya ka kire say we COVID free na speaker ka say we by force metua ma wo be ya Kwame say we franya no an say we 3 minutes no ba be jira
ma me mo example kwa na answer me tu kwan me kon me ye me kodu kro no airport me ye me free one me sign call another country me kon me ye me kodu o me say no tem 4 times me ba no to another country me say ye ena me sa beba Ghana ti me bedru Ghana ha ni kotoka de am say ye no ma ye covid testing kwa within 2 weeks 7.
Okay,
na Kwame ada na one fat test in results na kan chiro musa ode waye
almost say airline no hye ne say why yo wunye yo won be test one san wo wura plane
precisely
everybody any was say tuaka
Kwame no na me pe no on say ko duru ho de want me am fat test an ka say waye
debi
exactly into Ghana no ya ko ye say ye no ye pa ne say ye be semra na mum say ye be dimra ne so no de ye mpe Kwame Inti Ama 55 are running away from Nipa 55 are running away from COVID test. Now
yes be na party. Be ba jo na se ye no.
Na on fa results no so mai.
Ye no.
Results no kwa Kwame ode ba no dey na kire say speaker na gitum. Se u ko soja o mu kire ba bia wo be kwa ye o test enti sa.
Sanity.
U ko police o be kire ba bia kwa ye o mu test enti sa.
Soja wo be kwa 37.
Exactly. Police are going to police clinic. Inti adentina your parliamentary clinic. And then see bla parliamentary clinic na be testing wo ho. Kwame wo dia wo si wa kwa ya wo dia wo private hospital in Uma.
Ene o ya o bi no.
Pressure in the 50s inti na wo ka say nipa almost nipa 50 me see there be enya 15. E wo say ye di 55 no ka 50 no. Because omo jani ni nyina asikyira ni se omanya binti no omo jani
because ayi abroje de no kro de ne ya wo mo di show hunu sa ha de kwa se o minimu keke PCR no
omo di we also no guche for ne eye no clinic omo di bibi se o hene mu
na omo sure
no omo di bi so ahye wa no
yes I
Kwame that's what they do. Enti ye nyina ya kwaye mo se mo ye covid free ya se mo mra mbe ya se mo jane
na kese mu obi no
mo obi enti wo se staff no Kwame staff no de omo ntimi nka se omo nye enti staff no omo majority of the staff na ye enti staff wa omo anya covid wo parliament na 56 Kwame 56 because omo de wanya ye be pamo na MPs na yanya voluntarily yakwaye no ye 227 or so.
Okay.
In the year 227 ya results abano emu nipa 15 and na test positive we. In the 50 the probability is say 55 no mu jani ni ye ya Kwame the number could have gone up as to send the staff there na go up na.
Oh, okay.
Inti enya dia say ye tra ho na ya ka say o yenjintum Kwame ana say who call your standing orders no ma speaker no wo kwan say obetimi suspend nipa from the chamber who kind order 99 order 100 any order 101 the speaker had the right to expel a member from the house into mo titi ho and no man right makwa private clinic no the last one in year one man they should take it in good faith. Na so mu di agura Kwame. The speaker is the has the power to maintain order in the house. Ena obetimi agina order 99, order 100, ni order 101 so apamu we free them all. Ente wo yesi bra parliament wo parliamentary clinic wo beye covid test na ye hu sa yare no unipi udi be ma obi na udi bra beye ye betua ubeye na wo yare a ye du be ko hospital free Kwame wo fi de bi mimpre
ebi asese kwa vetting nkofo beba vetting no ne ade na mo ko quarantine bedu na yamfa na nka ho wo ka se eno
Kwame fika na mo up to any Monday wa kwaye no private clinic for report no bra na enche obesa ma ya fa ye biom
na ye hwanum ne ye ka o masemi
Kwame osi wa mo up to Monday na onimomu into wa obeba ho bia odin ka obi waye unye na wo obi akwame obebo odin ordinance ni nyina beba enti yen chanza speaker no ni parliamentary doctor no nkwa na wo bi o yan fan kire MP bia say odi nkwa na edi be kire wo
I see
yedi obi ade be me say yedi me de kire me enti wo kwa edu de be kire wo enti wo a wo bi no na yedi kire wo na ya ka kire speaker no say we wo bi enti mane madem o what you say na kwa mi de hu ni say assume say me makwaya no private clinic na ya ka kire me say me wo bi na kwa me de aba okay FM wo so wunim na maba ba chiachi amunyi na kwa me am I not spreading the disease?
Who spread it?
Just we should respect and protect each other. And in the year can yes I can say yeah pamo will be every demo and those things. Even Kwame Omo can even vetting committee and over traffic from Monday continuously up to the end of the month. Into those challenging it, no ministers no kura uba vetia, and say do COVID test ba. Kwame, the appointment committee must insist on all those things. Because omo mu challenge omo nye nyina ebi no kura ministers, omo mu koye no. Into enya dia esa ye di agrosa. And you don't go because who kwaji post all the minimum life akwaputo in danger. Nya na uko wapo dam. How ya mayani kwa meka obi ya pemio.
Wonim so na bo na drive ko no.
Okay,
Ode masiyen kasa. Na me take am.
Mate. Na no boy.
Let's go on. Ente adia me kai nyina ni say uba parliamenta say we appointment committee member minister uba vetio Kwame ebe fe say uba ya COVID test no the results na ba say ebe ya omun kwache ma omu ho ewo ho. These are serious things I say and say ya didi agro
I see
enu nante Kwame timamfo no Kwame say ukwaya wa na obetua o
amia na metua ye
ye de ukwaya speaker na na tua o yare nso a o doctor speaker no no na tua o won njika pre o so I don't understand why we are running away from these things. Into clearly a idea as a obia fan in good faith na yekoye wan koye na ye pamuwa man ka say ye na ya pamu. And Kwame, can you imagine the cost of by-election?
Dawson, aye.
15 MPC, nyami fasa amma. Na ya hu in term. And anka omuko into critical conditions. And na biafa so ahene kwa. Can you imagine the number of by-elections are? Ghana, you better Ghana sika organize.
Ene kamuso mo ba prio, say de go bia ba pri bi so benya majority.
Kwame, e ba answer, they will not take COVID protocols into consideration. Okay.
No correct.
Why we are so serious?
Among for say.
Now boy, who can am I going to elections? About the Drew said, yeah, Mumaya Moya Humbai. Said the Beya, Obia Betia for a Jumana or Mino at the Sayano. Said the Beya or Mino Sank or Boka yeah, by election because of COVID deaths and all those things.
Now,
and the Jumana or Mani Sayano, yes, me can say yes, not here because COVID about.
Honorable.
Let's say, I was saying, yes, I can't be a better.
Honorable.
Minia.
Ghana for the one who more politicians lie, the title parliamentarians on the idea.
I don't think.
We almost say COVID year, say, as I saw you. Mwah. The entire more registration. And Mama Ghana for Swire registration. Yeah, to a ba and in your Juma. More ye campaign who do COVID protocol more to a gum ye demonstration would do course and no can who be Timo Casano COVID in one Casano one among the buy.
Oh Kwame and no dear me your name free home Kwame Udika. ya kan na meji di say Kwame COVID high numbers ya abai elections no untimi nka say elections no kan e ka ho because prior to the elections no nya regions ni nyina na situation no e critical say but after elections no say elections no be no to quite from region B Kotpaba or region B and all those things a lot of things crisscross so say upe time Ghana ni bia 2 quite free baby ko baby it was election on Christmas no and these are the two critical events here ama COVID na spreading in the direction and no say Ghana for a chaboya mejidi say omodika but what I'm saying is say yemfa kwan bi so na ye nyina yemwa the speaker no ne aban no protocols now dey but government must walk the talk now and was say yakwa say ye gia tomo based on the ministers where the say oh COVID has come to stay and yakwa say ye gia tomo sa and then one says he say we share contact tracing ni sa no amane ye ni nyina no I say ye testi obi o say o mimiti apo and people are even disputing the presence of the disease and Kwame say o ka say o mo criticize ya e was say o mo twaboye but my yem so yen tin na e was say yes original to send the speaker na ye critical e was say yes original na ne was say ye e prevent a civil life no na ye because parliament dem wono aye hu kakra they say ukokura na umuvu kura usuru but nipa na ote unchen no say waye bio wakoye ne de o onkoye ne de o untimi hu so wo bio oni bio eno so untimi hu so these are the critical things in the mejidi say by Monday so mun for results number ya e was a speaker or the results number na Kwame as on mine no mejidi say it's not enough say ye be no business as usual e was say ye serious consultative meeting no be actually na again President Mama the COVID team na odibai no they need to step up say politicians no say ye bibi na ye ni competition ya na ye tiada President Mama didn't dey no but it was a team of experts nothing bia no omudi suggestions ever out because make me aka say before elections no suggestions omudi ba out say and say government you know etia frontline workers ka abani yebi e was say oma freebies free water abani yebi free electricity abani yebi and all these things were and say oma stimulus package abani yebi in the normal abanu anamu abanu too before elections ni na ye things ya na President Mama eka na me say before say President Mama beka na COVID thing no agree for no and it helps to do certain things into say offine the starting na ebabium ebeboa ema yatimi akwati COVID no na ye jai say abanu be abana tiada because NDC COVID no akọ suspension kakra intimidity
na mo COVID team no
jina sa wa CDS so na maka kire President Mama say ni COVID team no he must reinitiate the COVID team e say omo sign eye adwuma biom
okay
because omo boae ema Ghana for enjoy certain things now because that's aban no say meye minye but e was omo de sa pressure no eba betu no so nya the Parliament, staff for our Parliament, they are not up to 1,500. They are not even up to 1,000. Now, if Nepal Mundu 1,000, a move 56, and COVID, now they also they are congested in their offices. Kwame, can you imagine the rate on best Prediaco? Now, your MPs know so 15 year Muka, maybe Kwame, the number is not 15, it's more than that. And say yes, can you imagine the best Predia in Ako? And say a critical thing. Meet me, I can say both NDC and Yami Ache or Minum Minu. And there's so be adinaji, but go far back up and to me and Trenaji more money ye. But Parliament here can say, of course, it's here. A man at 20 NDC, at 20 MPP. Member Nuncia 117 NDC, 117 MPP. Total mayor NDC 137, MPPs 137. Into BBI pepe. So which means God has divided the thing into two and he wants us to clean up and develop ourselves. And to say yanka mbom anwuno na eka se o mi na ya to abana ma mi ndie mi pe na me ya kwa mi emwa oman no.
Okay FM 101.7